Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys will be a very helpful video to some of you working on a BMW door handle. If it's a 3 or 5 series guys, like E60 or E90. Now that door handle guys, when you remove it, you see what I'm talking about, you will not be able to install it. There is a special trick about it, and let us explain what is happening now. We have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so if you need anything, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment. If you need help with something, we'll make a video. Now, in order to remove the handle, all you have to do, usually you have to get that bolt loose all the way. Here, pull the lock, and the light stays there. So that's super easy so far. The tricky part is about installation. Now, you have to remove that light out of the way, so it's not there, you don't break it, okay, just like that. And in order to remove the handle, all you have to do, pull towards the outside and towards the back a little bit. Okay, and you see the handle comes out. Okay, like that. Now if you have the wire, you can disconnect it. If you don't, just don't worry about it, depending on the options that your car comes with. Now inside right here, there is something specific about it, how you install that thing now. And we will explain what it needs to be done. Now let me first show you what's happening. If I try to install the door handle, okay, I go on the front first, I get in. Okay, now come from this angle and see what is happening here. There is a big gap. Okay, you can see the handle works, opens the door, but there is a big gap. Nothing looks perfectly as it should be. That's like half an inch gap. So why that happens now? I'm going to remove the handle and explain you quick what's causing that. That's a special trick from BMW guys, and we're thankful for it because the handle is easy to install. Now you can see that black piece. Okay, let me just try to get some light in. Okay, perfect. This piece right here, you can see this piece is the one that holds the door mechanism open so you can install the handle. So once you push the handle in, you have to push that metal black piece up. Watch now what's happening. Okay, the handle goes in. Okay, just like that. Now you can see that. Okay, let me focus here. Okay, that metal piece, I'll push it in and it will retract the handle towards the inside. Okay, perfect. Check it out. There, okay, I just got it stuck again, 1 second. Okay, there is absolutely no gap. Now I'm going to install the light here quick and show you how everything will fit perfectly fine. Okay, check it out. It closes, opens all the way. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come to the channel.